I like to think of myself as a good ass plant parent. My Pilea peperomiine's popping. My pothos is good. My Rudy Tooty fresh and fruity cutting's looking dope. You know, my cilantro from seed is reaching towards the sun. It's a little leggy, but that's alright. My peperomia obtusifolia variegata from Lowe's clearance section is looking good. My fucking stick I just took from a begonia and prayed rooted. This little banana whoop whoop Tarzan plant I got is good. Silver satin pothos epinephrine aurum and monstera I saved. But when it comes to this fucking calathea bitch, fuck these bitches. I got like a lifelong vendetta against these hoes. Cause you see that crispy piece of leaf to the right? It used to be just as green as the one to the left, but in un dia, one day, it fucked up and died. I think that's spider mites. I don't even fucking know. Normally I'm good at attacking pests, but like this shit is just, it's paralyzing me in fear. I even think that's like translucent to the left, a new leaf, but I don't know. So Calathea parents, help me out. But until then, I'm gonna look at this avocado tree because it's really pretty. It's bigger than my fucking palm, and it makes me feel better about myself. But yeah, I don't know how y'all fucking do it. Help me out.